Yeah, rerun it up. Give him my top, I ain't giving no fucks. Just give me the mic, I'ma show him what's up. They say they want smoke, but they never show up. It's nuck if you buck, I'm running it up. As soon as I hit it, she miss it. Now she claiming she in love. Baby untouched, you should probably pay attention. First song, no love. Yeah, rerun it up.
I'm fun on Gray. I'm back. You already know, man. Trey. Like, you already know what I'm on. I'm in the kitchen again. Gonna make. Well, I got this steak actually right here. Damn, that bitch almost fell. Hold on, let me pick that up. There we go. Boom. Got this mama, you feel me? I might just turn this into tacos, to be honest. But y'all be on my ass because of my sides. Because I'm just gonna make some corn and green beans, you feel me, bro? Y'all be on my ass about my sides don't make sense with what I be cooking. But I just need some food and a vegetable to maintain, you know, good weight and shit. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna show y'all the steps. Y'all already know. I got my pan heating up right now, cutting my pepper and onion. Steak. I'm finna trim that fat off because that shit nasty. I cleaned up this shit, bro, because actually the people here have no home training. Like, this shit's gross. Like, look at that, bro. Dirty dishes they just left here and shit. Like, no home training, bro. That shit's disgusting. But y'all already know me, man. I cleaned up my whole table and all that. I cleaned all this shit up because who the hell wants to cook in a dirty area? Like, that doesn't even make me want to eat the food that I'm finna make. But yeah, I'm finna chop this up, throw that in there. Y'all gonna see the steps, y'all. Alright, with this one, you gotta throw it in there real quick. Make sure you don't burn all that shit, bro. Yeah. Feel me? Alright. I got that. Alright, we're bringing the steak over here, bro. Move all this out the way. Yeah, feel me? There we go. That shit is not. There we go. Yes, sir. I got that mug sitting right, so I'm gonna take some of this fat and cut it off because that's gross. We do not want all of that on there. Okay. There we go. Ugh, get that off of there. Alright, we gon' throw a little there. Yeah, ooh, damn, that's a lot of shit. I'm gonna clean this fork before I reuse it. She's saying I'm sorry, bro. I don't know what she's talking about. You know? I should be off like 10:30. Alright, cool. Turn that fire down a little bit, so yeah. 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 Y'all know what I'm finna use next, man. But y'all be on my head about using this too much, bro. It goes with everything. Some hot sauce. Alright. Don't waste that all on there. Repeat the steps. What is he talking about? Damn. Trying to be cool and shit though. Almost over-seasoned my shit. Doing too much, Trey. Alright, let me keep it going. Speed this shit up before my peppers and shit burn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, now I'm finna move that to that. Simple. Alright, bro. Ooh, shit, I'm not even filming. I'm done. Alright, there we go. Y'all see that? Yep, and then let me turn my fire to there. Cause I'm trying to hurry up. I'm hungry as hell, man. I ain't eating in like 2 hours or something. Alright, I might have y'all updated on that. Hold on. Alright, shit. I might as well just start this now while this is going. You feel me? Look at that. Look at that beautiful steak cooking and shit. So, I got my thing turned on. Damn. That caught me off guard. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, I should have brought 2 cans. Yes, I cook my shit together. You from the trenches, you know this is the best way to do it. Sometimes. I'm gonna clean that up. I'm finna get mine. I ain't finna get none till I find. But the homie just tweaking. I'm pretty sure you should throw a little bit more water. Nah. Alright, turn that bit up. You know you gotta season that bit, so I'm left-handed Ginobili all day today. I'm Ginobili all day. What that pepper? That bitch smell good. Like, throw that in there. Throw some. Yes, sir. Gotta put a little bit of this. This goes good with everything, no cap. Damn, can I unscrew this the right way? Doing everything with one damn hand, I ain't got nowhere to hold my phone and shit. This shit ghetto. Alright, bet. Then you throw a little butter in that in when you come out. Not trying to cross-contaminate shit, yo. Damn. This water hot as hell, by the way, so, you know, killing something. Oh, damn, my damn shoe came off. There we go. Check that off. And there we go. Throw that around. Let that get groovy. Shit, might as well check on there. There we go. Yeah. Might just throw a little butter in there, dude. Bring shit back somebody. I don't know about y'all, but I like my steak medium well done. I'm not no damn carnivore. I'm not out here hunting like I'm a Neanderthal. Look at that shit. Like, you gotta cook that shit, bro. Like, that shit cooked. You feel me? I'm not out here eating my prey. You feel me? Like, get my dumb ass on, but really cook that shit, y'all. Alright. Update coming soon. I'm gonna just let this cook for a while. And while I'm letting it cook, you clean your dishes while you cook. I can't talk shit about nobody not having no home training, and you gotta know how to do that the right time. So I'm gonna clean all this up while this is cooking, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, family. Yes, sir. Alright, my fault, but I took some of the meat out. I chopped it up. I'm finna throw it back in there because obviously you see that's not medium well, like what I said. I threw another pepper in there, just a little bit, let it get dark a little bit. I'll throw that in there, add a little lime juice, you know, so too, you feel me? So that's what I'm finna do right now. Ooh. That's on me, that's on me. I ain't gonna do that. That shit. Just re-added that. I hope this don't got a that dang. Yeah, feel me? This gonna be hard to do. I should have did this already. Hold on. Got that. Yeah, I'm a real chef. Yeah, I don't know how to do the. I ain't gonna risk it because I'm gonna be mad if I mess up. My corn and green beans are fire. I already taste tested them. They're fire. Take this a little. You know, take this a little arrivederci. Yeah, I'm making tacos, bags. This gonna be fire. Yes, sir. Alright, this is the final. Look at that. That shit look great, yeah. Feel me? I'm finna put this all in my bowls and crap and take this all to my room. That's where I'm finna assemble my plate. And I'm gonna show y'all how to really eat like a king. Yeah, feel me? Y'all know this, man. I'm doing my shit, you feel me? Oh, God, that shit look good. Gazer. What the fuck you talking about? Alright, now. I'm in my room now on phone, so let's get this assembled jar. I already got my corn and, you know, stuff in the bowl. I'm done with that. I ain't really feel like doing all that. That's extra. Tortilla. Take these mugs, you feel me? Damn. Oh, yeah, never mind. That's doing too much. Should I make two? That's a big ass tortilla. That's a lot of meat, so what if I want to eat some tomorrow? I'm gonna just make one for the video, you feel me? Yeah. Take your tortilla. Lay that hoe down. Take, you know, your meat. You feel me? Grab that. Put some of this on here. Woo. There you go. There we go. Hold on. Add one more. There we go. Bam. Fire. This shit looks so good. Your cheese. Throw that on there. Mind you, I just took my tortilla and everything out the fridge. So, you heat it up, duh. Put that mug in for like cool 30 seconds, you feel me? Now, this is a terrible salsa. I do not recommend this, but I am broke, so I did not go buy none. And this is the only one in the C-store. Gotta make what was due. I got tomatoes in there, but I'm gonna save those for my salad. Damn, that's taking too long. Alright. Perfect. Yeah, feel me? Some of the cheese melted, some not. That's, you know, right in that area. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna pull this one probably. The baby spinach. Get your little, you know, yeah, get your little greens in there and get big and strong, you feel me? My mom always told me to eat my vegetables. What could I say? What could I say? Hold on. I'm a healthy kid. I smell broccoli. That's what you got. But anyways, that was extra. I don't know. I had a brain fart like that. Take that. Put this rolled up. you want to put all your shit away before you start eating, because then you're going to be mad if you got to get up and put stuff away, you feel me? So, take my little salsa, want to stir it up, make it a little chunky. I love a good salsa. I love fresh salsa. My boy Randy, shout out Randy. He be giving me this salsa that's beside the point. He be giving me some good salsa. I like it. Add a considerable amount on it, you feel me? There we go. Now that is a steak taco. I just did my thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Throw this away. You. Alright, taste test coming in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, hold on. Finally, alright, so look, I'm done cooking, got my taco, got my, you feel me? Now y'all might just add some spice. Y'all gonna hate me for that. I'm gonna get some backlash for that. I don't care. This glare sucks. Can't forget the bed. What bro be saying? Never, never, never. That's just dumb as hell, but always get you a cranberry. I don't know why I mess with these, but they be busting. Bust that open. You feel me? Alright. I'm tweaking. There we go. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I did it again. Yes, sir. Let's try this a bit. Let's try that a bit. This is fire. I'm giving this an 11 out of 10 because I'm really like that. 11 out of 10. Hood meals, college dorm meals, broke boy meals, get it out your C-store meals, I'm him meals. This is how you cook tacos, steak tacos, the correct way. Want some more cooking videos? Oh, before I even end this video, my dream job is to travel this world, the globe, and eat food and get paid to do it. I'm not gonna lie. I need that job. I want that job. I'm built for that job. Now, I'm not gonna be eating that extra stuff. There be dudes eating bull testicles. No. That's not me. I'm gonna eat the stuff that looks good, not that extravagant BS. No. I'm coming to sit down and eat the food. Talk trash with my shorty. She can travel with me too. Oh God, that's perfect. Travel the world with your shorty, eat food. Who don't want to do that? I want to do that. Whoever watches this video, if you got a job that can let me do that, put me on. I swear to God, I'll be eternally grateful. But on God, 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, 13 out of 13. This is a great meal. Alright, man. It's your boy Lil Eddie, Trey Money. That's been Trey. I already know what it is, man. Follow me on Instagram, social media, all my stuff. Y'all already know it's going to be at the end of the video. Check me out. Gang, gang, gang.